To mix Paverpol and Paverplast is quite simple. I took a separate container, poured 250 grams of Paverpol in here. That's half of this container. This is 500 grams. Size up, this is 1000 grams. And how much do you need? How much Paverplast do you need? It depends on how much is in your container. It's usually 20% of what you have in here. 250 grams. 20% of 250 grams would mean 50 grams. So if I add 50 grams of Paverplast to this container, I would have a good substance. Not everybody has a good scale, so in this case I'm going to show you how you can also just test it by looking at the mixture that you have here. By the way, this is 100 grams of Paverplast container and this is 400 grams. I'm going to add 1 scoop at a time of Paverplast. This is very runny, so that's too thin. You add a 2nd scoop. The closer you get to the final mixture, the less Paverplast you're gonna add. And if you have a scale, you simply weigh it. So it's always 20% of the volume of Paverpol. If you have 100 grams of Paverpol, 20% would mean 20 grams of Paverplast will give you the right thickness. Now, it also depends. Some colors, bronze might be a little bit thinner than Paverpol transparent. So you always still have to take this guideline into account as well. Let's see. Still runny. So you use Paverpol and Paverplast when you don't use textile. If I dip t-shirt in Paverpol, then just Paverpol is enough. If I don't want to use textile, but I want to brush it straight into a foil shaped object that I totally taped, then you need Paverpol and Paverplast. Now 1 layer is not enough. You need at least, especially when you want to have it outside, you need at least 2 thick layers. If it's too thin, when it goes outside, it won't last very long and the UV would eat it away. For that reason, when you apply Paverpol and Paverplast, it needs to go on really thick. Dip in your brush. And this is how thick it's gonna go on. I hardly spread it out, you see? Dip it in again. Maybe I go once, twice back, but that's it. So, a good thick coat. Then you dry it with a hairdryer or you leave it for a day and apply the 2nd coat. And that's it, Paverpol and Paverplast.